Okay, currently working on a PC right now. It's quite an old machine, actually. It's another Packard Bell like I worked on my other channel. But today, I'm going to be fixing up this. I'm going to apply a bit of... So, how you apply thermal paste is that you add a little pea. Nothing much. That's all you need. I'm going to put this back on. Back in its cover. And I'm just going to... Even though these are completely unnecessary, I'm just going to use this. Spread it around. Then I'm just going to apply the heat sink it came with. Okay, that'll do. That actually... Wait. Okay. Thermal paste applied. Let's clean the heatsink up because of the bottom where you can see where it's glued, they've been snapped. So I'm just going to clean the heatsink up. Okay. Heatsink. Okay. Right, where's the CPU header for the fan? CPU fan, okay, right. So it goes this way. Right, unplug that connector real quick. Okay, nice. Let's screw it in. So it's, of course, hold on a second. Oops. Nice. Okay, nice. So it is actually threading. Okay, first heat sink. Got the first screw of the heat sink. Yeah, this is IDE. I need to install Windows 7. Oops. That didn't sound good. Oh well. Again, come on.